it is scary in one way as well.
Yeah.
You know कि आजकल मतलब कुछ भी बना सकता है. I would say it's a
गहरा मुद्दा है AI का बात करने के बहुत सारे pros and cons हैं.
yeah. If it works, you know, and if it's done in a classy manner, some people will find it, will look at it as pure art. Some people will look at it in a cheap manner and say कि ये कोई तरीका है क्या, you know.
Right.
So it's all up to the individual. I mean, the first song that came to my mind was "Don't Worry About a Thing, 'Cause every little thing's gonna be alright." Like that song is really like, yeah.
We are always looking for something completely out of the box. So the more absurd, the more interesting it is.
Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Hello guys, welcome to India Forums, and we are actually hoping that the song just tops all the charts. So all the best for that. So if this song becomes a trending reel audio, what would be the type of content you want to see on it? All of you can answer, anyone can take it up. It's a group.
I want to see the hook step.
Yeah. Same.
Hook step. Yeah.
Okay. What is the weirdest place you ever get your music inspiration from?
I guess I still don't remember the name of that movie. Which was that? तौबा तेरा जलवा तौबा तेरा प्यार कौन सी मूवी का गाना है? देवदी. Yeah, from that movie.
Okay.
Yeah.
For you?
Me, I think anything absurd and extreme. So I think that kind of turns into something creative because we are always looking for something completely out of the box. So the more absurd, the more interesting it is.
Wow.
Any one of you can pitch this. What would be that word you would use to describe Neeti's voice?
I think मतलब it's magic और बहुत खूबसूरत. That's amazing. Effortless.
Effortless, yeah.
Yes.
Which emotion is hard to produce or show, love or loss?
Which one?
Which emotion is hard to portray through a music, love or loss?
I think love. For me, it's like loss. Yeah.
I think loss also.
I think love.
Wow.
And Ellie, for you, what would be difficult to portray, being a part of which song, a love song or a emotional song?
What would be difficult to portray as an actor, basically? It would definitely be love if I absolutely not like my co-actor. Yeah.
If Rusha and Bliza made a track about Ellie, what would it be called?
It's a tough one.
It's a tough.
Non-stop probably.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the main impression we have of her is just going all out non-stop the whole day. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
It would be a speedy track.
What is that song that instantly pulls you out of a bad mood? You all can pitch for this.
I mean, the first song that came to my mind was "Don't Worry About a Thing, 'Cause every little thing's gonna be alright." Like that song is really like, yeah, like it's really like, don't worry, because like by the end of the day, things are gonna be, everything's gonna be alright. Yeah, that's the track. Yeah.
I don't know exactly.
Like for us, I think since we consume so much music,
Yeah.
whenever we get asked about a particular song, our brain just crashes. There's just too much going on. So yeah, that becomes tough.
Do you feel that melodies sometimes play a better role than lyrics?
Obviously.
For us, I think
Yeah.
particularly that's the case because
Before the
being producers, we are again because that's what we do.
एज अ लिरिसिस्ट भी मतलब आपको जब तक वैसी खूबसूरत धुन नहीं मिलेगी तो आप भी मतलब आपका ही मन करता है ना कि यार संगीत आया इतना अच्छा बढ़िया म्यूजिक आया तो फिर शब्द निकलते हैं कुछ लिखने का मन करता है तो म्यूजिक डेफिनेटली सबसे जरूरी प्रायोरिटी.
And what would be that dramatic song you will use for a perfect dance in the rain moment?
Dance in the rain.
आपने वो सुना है स्लो डांसिंग इन द डार्क? जोजी करके एक आर्टिस्ट है. स्लो डांसिंग इन द डार्क करके उनका गाना है. इट्स लाइक अ डार्क सॉन्ग बट दैट्स वेरी ब्यूटीफुल.
Yeah, for me, like Supersonic. Yeah.
Tip tip barsa pani.
Okay, guys, now there's a segment I'm doing. I'll give you situations. If you agree with it, you can say love it. And if you don't, you'll say leave it. Beatboxers taking over traditional instruments.
Oh.
I love it.
Love it.
Why not?
Love it. Yeah.
It's a evolution.
Yeah.
Skimpy outfits in music videos.
भी क्या होता है?
Matlab nanga.
Leave it.
Leave it.
Mm,
Yeah, kind of.
I'm
I
gonna
mean,
skip this.
अगर उसकी जरूरत है तो
If
वो
if it's
हम
you
क्या
know,
दिखाना चाहते हैं?
if it works, you know, and if it's done in a classy manner. See, now this is a question which also depends on certain people's like belief. Some people will look at it as pure art. Some people will look at it in a cheap manner and say कि ये कोई तरीका है क्या, you know.
Right.
So it's all up to the individual who is watching it. So it's a very tricky question. How do we say this? Like let's say if maybe I will wear it, I will feel like yes, this is the look that we wanted to create, and that works for this song and the whole image, the whole art that we wanted to create. Another person will look at it and be like, ये क्या है? ये vulgar है, you know. But maybe for another person, it's not, you know.
Yeah.
So
I think
Perspective.
stylistically.
and I think ये ना जो बना रहा है, जो आर्ट प्रेजेंट कर रहा है, उसका इंटेंशन क्या है
Yeah.
और जो
Correct.
देख रहा है उसका नजरिया क्या है.
Right.
yeah.
तो वो
If
दोनों
the
चीजें.
intention is pure, you know,
Yeah.
then it's like that's why we see there's so many different cultures, right, all around the world. What we might be feeling is too much is for another country like nothing, you know, and vice versa. So yeah,
Yeah, I think it's purely the intention that goes behind it because
yeah, exactly.
done
That's why I said-
artistically, nothing matters. Like
yeah,
art is
Yeah.
art, right?
yeah, art is art. Exactly. In art, I feel
Yeah.
it should be free, you know.
Very well put. Auto-tune singers dominating playback.
Yeah, auto-tune
Singers dominating the playback.
dominating. What does that really
No.
mean?
That means
नहीं
that
ऐसा नहीं है.
ऐसा नहीं.
ऐसा नहीं है.
maybe not very talented singers are the ones who are getting a majority of
Nahi.
the work and the playback. I think that's the question.
Yeah.
You
It's
fine with it or
no fine with it. Yes, why not?
Yeah.
नहीं dominate कर रहे हैं उसके साथ
Dominate.
फाइन नहीं है but लेकिन yeah it's
They
a
can't
art.
dominate them.
Yeah.
I
That's it.
मतलब मुझे लगता है कि it's just it's about good music. अगर आप दो शब्द बोल के पूरा इंस्ट्रूमेंट चल रहा है उसमें आपने बस एक छोटी सी शायरी भी कर दी और वो है उस काबिल की लोग सुनेंगे तो सुनेंगे.
Yeah, I think that again comes down to, you know, it's not only in the music industry. It's really like, you know, आजकल हम देख रहे हैं Instagram पे भी, you know, sometimes it's the most what you would feel like ridiculous thing जिसमें कोई भी talent नहीं है, but for some reason people are connecting with it and they are loving it and they are feeling happy and good and entertained. So then should we say that it's bad or should we what should we actually say? By the end of the day, it's about spreading our light here in the world, you know. So whether some people's taste will be far more intellectual or far more deeper or, you know, far more, if we will say, like very very talented, and some people's taste is just like, wow, I feel good when I listen to this or when I see this or when, you know, and then that's fair enough, you know.
There are like too many dynamics, I would say,
Yeah.
in
Yeah.
play these
And-
days.
Yeah.
एंड म्यूजिक एंड एवरी आर्ट फॉर्म आई थिंक इट्स जस्ट लाइक कि आपने इतने सारे स्किल्स सीखे हैं डेफिनेटली ए से लेकर जेड तक आपने पूरे अल्फाबेट सीख लिए बट इट्स अबाउट कि वो अल्फाबेट सीख के आप क्या सेंटेंस बना रहे हो राइट आप इतना स्किल सीख लिया आपने ए टू जेड तक बट आपके सेंटेंस में आपके जो बात है मुद्दा है अगर वो नहीं है तो शायद नहीं है और अगर जिनको आपको पता है कि शायद इतना नहीं सीखा है बट उनकी 2 शब्दों में जादू है
Like imagine this, वो आजकल जो बहुत famous हो गए वो Damyungur, you know?
और ये
It was just हाँ exactly. बस वो exactly Damyungur. Oh yeah. बस super hit. लोगों को अच्छा लगा and maybe that was just something I feel this is the beauty of art, you know? When something just flows through you so randomly and out of pure excitement you just decide to create something out of this and you just put it out there in the world and with that you know that joyful feeling and emotion जिसके साथ आपने ये बनाया है it's just been felt by the world and the world is enjoying it it's a fun thing you know
let them enjoy
so yeah and it's okay it came and it was a hit and then now people are like okay what next you know and then you have that art which is so created which is so profound which is just it becomes क्या बोलते हैं timeless which will just stay there forever and it will always be appreciated you
It's
know
reach
So-
and talent, I would say. Like
Hmm.
it's the question of reach, like what influence you have on social media these days,
Hmm.
and what talent you have. I think a mixture would be good because
Yeah.
otherwise it's not very sustainable. So
Hmm.
although we
Yeah.
love that all
Right.
our tracks, we want all our tracks to go trending, super viral,
yeah
but we want a solid backbone to it, right?
Of
If there is
course.
no base, then
हाँ.
okay, once, twice, thrice, labels will work with
हाँ.
us, companies will support us,
Hmm.
we'll be in interviews, but that's not gonna last, right?
Yeah. वो तो होना ही चाहिए
Brand placements in music videos.
पैसे आते हैं
क्या
हाँ.
क्या brand
Brand placements.
यस
yeah why not
हाँ why not
yeah
why not
yeah why not it's a collaboration
अगर वो
It's
कुछ
a-
दिखाना
if-
चाहते हैं
if-
और हम कमाना चाहते हैं
and
So,
also
why
if you
not?
also as long as you are not against like deeply against that brand you know and you wouldn't want to associate yourself with that brand if you feel that that brand has a bad influence in some certain ways or something I
और
think that's the only thing that
और ऐसा
you
कि
know.
ऐसा जैसे हम भी म्यूजिक वीडियो बनाते हैं तो मुझे लगता है कि ना आर्ट जो हमारा म्यूजिक वीडियो है वो कॉम्प्रोमाइज अगर नहीं हो रहा है और वो उसमें फिट बैठ रहा है तो व्हाई
हाँ.
नॉट
exactly
Music videos having a rumor buzz before the launch.
yeah
Music videos having a rumor buzz.
हाँ होना चाहिए
yeah it's called marketing
या आपका काम है आप जैसे जितना कर सको मुझे लगता है कि जरूरी है
We leave it to the marketing genius
Yeah.
who come up with this. We are not qualified to comment on this.
And the last one here is use of AI generated effects to put into a song.
We
Yeah,
never
but
use
see,
it.
it's like inevitable. Like one day it will just be a reality. So
Yeah.
being like a
Right.
purist and
Yeah.
denying it completely,
yeah.
I don't think it
या
works.
Yeah.
It's not gonna work. Like
yeah it's not
एक टाइम पे लाइक जो कैमरा था वो टाइम पे तो वो भी तो एक एवोल्यूशन था
Mm.
है ना और वो लोग वो टाइम पे भी बोल सकते थे कि वो ये पेंटर लोग का जॉब खा जाएगा लाइक इट्स
Yeah.
सेम कि अभी चीजें एवोल्यूशन हो रही हैं इवॉल्व हो रही हैं और
Yeah.
आप यूज करना चाहते हो नहीं दैट्स अ डिफरेंट थिंग
Yeah, but I mean, time is a constant change, and we just have to learn to evolve with the evolution, you know, and find the balance.
या
It is what it is. Otherwise, we can just be stubborn for the rest of our life and try to fight against it, and kuch nahi hua, you know. So we just have to find a way. Yeah.
And has anyone of you ever been scared with it? Like, you know, when the thing came that AI will replace us and all that.
वो नहीं करना
Yeah.
चाहिए यार लोगों को जोड़ के कोई भी किसी से क्लोज आप करा रहे हो या फिर जो ये सिर्फ व्यूज या फिर अटेंशन के लिए होता है ना एक सेलिब्रिटी दूसरे सेलिब्रिटी कुछ फेक बना देते हैं वो नहीं करना चाहिए बट इट्स जस्ट एक टूल है
Use it in a certain
या
way.
एक टूल है वो
I mean, yeah, it is scary in one way as well.
Yeah.
you know कि आजकल मतलब कुछ भी बना सकता है.
हम्म
And then, you know, some innocent people will just see certain footage and believe it.
हम्म
Or
Right.
hear something because आज तो मतलब आवाज भी बदल
हाँ,
सकते हैं,
आवाज,
शब्द बदल
face.
सकते हैं, you know. And there are a lot of innocent people who will not know and they will believe this. So that is the dangerous part where, you know, we as human beings need to make sure to activate our brains even deeper and always question everything. You know, every time take everything with a pinch of salt and understand that ये सच हो सकता है, ये गलत भी हो
Yeah.
सकता है, something. Let's not blindly believe things like this, you know. So
Right.
yeah, it's
ये
I would say it's a
गहरा मुद्दा है एआई का बात करने के लिए, बहुत सारे
हम्म।
प्रोज एंड कॉन्स हैं.
yeah
Another
yeah
aspect of this would be that because of a few acts of randomness, right, we
Mm.
are in somewhat of a privileged position that
Yeah.
there is,
Yeah.
you know, a
I-
market which has been developed for at least our music. We'll find a home for our music somewhere
Yeah.
or on our own. But if this was 5 years back when we saw zero success, none of our tracks blew up, we would be very worried, right? Because I think our industry especially is one of the ones most in danger because
Mm.
you know, when it comes to real paying works, right, paying
Yeah.
gigs, people can just go online and just generate something. They would just pay
Huh.
someone to make a jingle, right?
Mm.
What if they no longer do? So you know, all the aspiring artists who have probably
Mm.
spent years of their lives, and
Mm.
right now is the
Yeah.
time they want to monetize it and turn it into a sustainable life, right? Like a mode of earning, and that might not even exist. So that's
Yeah.
something we should be
yeah
wary about.
yeah
Absolutely.
Lovely, guys. That was very insightful. And to end it on a lighter note, I would want if you all can just hum one line and end it on the song's note.
Okay.
तुम बंठन के निकलो तो रास्ते पे जाम. That's my favorite.
he's the one who has to do it.
Yeah. That's your call, bro.
सखी रे तेरा हुस्न बला है जैसे जलते चिराग पे हाथ रखा हो, सखी रे तेरा तपता बदन छू लो पानी अगर तेजाब बना दो, सखी मैं तेरे रंग में रंगा मैं तेरा करता नशा तो बेहिसाब पिला दो, सखी रे पूरी दुनिया फरे भी मुझे बाहों में लेके दीवारें उठा दो. Thank you so much. और आगे आगे
Thank
That's
you, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.